Good morning, good morning, good morning, wanderers. This morning we need to, check our fluids. I think what I'll do is just grab us a flashlight, if I can get it out. There it is. Jettie's gonna hop in there. Oh, I'm gonna grab my power inverter so I'll have some power today. See if there's a spot down there at the bottom. Not really. Okay. Gonna check our fluids from, we got that bad head gasket. Doing the Blue Devil test. Oh, heck yeah. Everybody loves some Blue Devil. Pop that hood loose. Okay. And we got light. There's Boo. What are you doing, Boo? She's getting the light, I think. Well, not really. I don't know what she saw. Well, look at that motor there, guys. So we're going to check our water again. Because, when you got a bad head gasket, that's what you're using. It's full, guys. 100% full to the brim. That is day number 4. 3, 4, I don't know. Okay, we're gonna look down here. And the easiest way I find is take your headlamp off, stick it behind. Perfect. Right there at the full line. So that's still looking A-OK. Okay. Grab our oil rag here. Double check the oil. See if we're burning any. So far, since we fixed that head gasket, we haven't burned a drop of oil. Still not burning a drop of oil, guys. Loving it. Okay. Everything's cleaned up. Lock that down. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. We're gonna get Jet in and take off down the road. See you in a minute.